All right. Last night I made something that was amazing, so I'm doing a slight variation on it tonight. Small pieces of shrimp, really set it off. Just gonna have a little ham tonight. We changed the cheese from Parmesan Romano to sharp yellow this time. I had some chopped chives. Oops, almost dropped that. Dried out chives, that is. We're making another frittata. All right. This, we spray it good. We want to go up the sides because I'm the only person on the planet with a cooking show that can flip a frittata. In this pan, that is. Simply Ming, never done it. If you're watching my channel, you already know what my favorite vegetable is. Rabe. Yet, I don't think the Jews on their Passover put this out as a choice. Only Italians for some reason. Alright, the thing with chopped broccoli rabe is you don't want to touch it because it sticks. As you can see, it's sticking to my spoon. We like those chunks. A little bit more there. There's a hole. That's good enough. All right, we're going to take a quick pause for the cause. We're going to egg these up. All right, there's my eggs. Thing with the frittata, you need egg to go all the way around. It's got to go right to the edge. Or else you won't be able to flip it. It's easier with the hand than the spatula. Oops. Keep the broccoli rabe to the bottom. All right, quick pause. We got to wash our hands. All right, it's time for the chives. Chopped chives. Uno dinero. All right, this is worthless. We're going to have to modify this. So we need a knife. Pause it. Look, come on, stop. You got to be kidding. Why would you come out with something? That's why it's $1. Because you can barely get anything out of it. All right, we quickly modified our dispenser. You got to be kidding me. Why would they even hand this out? These people are shot in the brain. Fresh finds. But that's how you modify it. Now I got to make a video on how to do that. Oh, look, it finally comes out. I'm not even going to look where they're located. Who owns it? This is not a conspiracy channel. This is my dinner. And guess what? I don't care. My feelings lately. All right. We took care of that. Now we got to make another video on how to modify that. Now we want to disperse the trims. Notice how I'm pushing them down into the frittata. Oh man. be honest with you, when I came home tonight, I didn't even plan on doing this. This is what you call rolling with the punches. World gives you lemonade. Oh wait, no, they give you lemons and you gotta make lemonade. Tomorrow I reach 6,000 videos on YouTube. Stop. 6,000. This guy's crazy. Alright, quick wash of the hands. I had coconut oil. So I sprayed it with real fast to cook them real fast. I think we're going to do one more with the ham. Only using the ham as a flavoring agent. Sprinkle some ham. Have no idea what we're cooking tomorrow, but I think we're going to be involved with the wok. It's time to walk it up. Walk and roll, baby. And a little bit more here. There we go. Looks like enough ham. We got a little bit more for another meal. Pause for the cause while I clean and put everything away. Alright, I just turned on the studio lighting, and we'll be doing this occasionally until we decide what we're going to do. This uses more electricity, I think. But I have the best low light sensor that's out there. You tell me. I can't wait to watch this. This is like before and after. I really want to put some cayenne pepper. My favorite pepper of ever. I have to stop making it because I can't get anybody to make it for me. Oops, Houston, we got a problem. We dropped a couple pieces of cheese. Alright, next time you see this, we're going to do a chef challenge. Only because none of the chefs on the planet has ever done this before, so that's why we call it the chef challenge. Flipping a frittata. I don't know why no one's ever done it. Alright, there. That's my dinner. Yummy. Love you.